Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video, we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. So make sure to watch the complete video so that you can get a proper idea regarding the hiring process, selection process and everything related to the hiring. Also, before proceeding further in the video, make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed the channel till now and be a part of our Telegram channel as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. So let's come to our first opportunity. So that is from Inseedo. Inseedo is basically hiring for the role of junior programmer. So they have mentioned experience from 0 to 2 years of experience is required, right? So even if you are a fresher, you can apply for this opportunity. So this opportunity is for 21-20 batch, right? So here you can see coming to the job description. So they have specified about roles and responsibilities that Java, Spring Boot, MS, SQL, excellent in concepts and programming, very good communication skill with good attitude, good academic record, notice period. So regarding this, they have mentioned immediate joiner. So in case if you cannot join immediately, don't apply for it because they are looking for immediate joiner. Experience again mentioned 0 to 2 years. Perks and benefits, salary is negotiable. Interested candidate can forward CV to RT. So this is the mail provided. So you can, if you are interested in this opportunity, so you can forward your CV to the provided mail. So the role is going to be backend developer. Salary has been specified here, right? So functional area also they have provided. Key skills we have already discussed. So if you're interested in this opportunity, then make sure to apply for the same. Talking about our next opportunity, so that is from Genser. Genser fresher off campus recruitment drive it is for 2020 as well as for 2021 pass out. About Genser, so we are a digital solutions and technology services company that partners with global organizations across industry to achieve digital transformation. So certain point has been given, you can just go through it. Coming to the role, so they are basically hiring for the role of junior software engineer. Here they have provided a CTC as well. So inviting aspirants to join our team as a junior software engineer role. If you're excited to be part of a winning team, Genser is a great place to grow your career. You will be glad to made the right choice to join us. Coming to the eligibility criteria, so they have specified BE BTech in CSIT or MCA pass out in the year 2020-2021. Applicant must have scored a minimum of 60% throughout 10th, 12th and graduation, post-graduation. We cater to global client that they works in the 24/7 model. Associate may be required to work in flexible time zones, open to work across diverse technology platform as per business requirement. Work location is specified as Genser based location, that is Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kolkata or any client location in India. Skills should required to contribute, so should have good communication and interpersonal skill, portray strong analytical and problem solving skill, willingness to work in collaboration with team, demonstrate the ability to multitask and drive efforts in an agile way, focused customer centric approach. Selection process is specified by them is that there will be an online assessment test followed by technical discussion and then HR interview. Selected candidates are expected to join us on 1st December 2021 or 15th December 2021. Here they have provided instructions as well that interested candidates should apply online for Genser recruitment drive by clicking the register now. So here this register now button is given, so you can apply by clicking here. Shortlisted candidate will receive an email invite for further process. So in case if you are meeting the eligibility criteria and all, then you will be shortlisted for the further process. So this is our next opportunity, that is from Flipkart. So Flipkart is basically hiring for the intern. About Flipkart, certain point has been given, you can just go through it. It is India's largest e-commerce marketplace with a registered customer base of over 150 million, right? So just go through it. Job description is already provided. Skills required for this particular position is data analytics, problem solving and excellent communication. Location is specified as Bangalore, Karnataka. So if you are interested in this opportunity, you can apply for the same, right? So these were some of the opportunities for you. Coming to the intern one, so 2022 batch is eligible for this particular opportunity. So these were some of the opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If this is so, make sure to hit the like button, do subscribe this channel and be a part of our Telegram community as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Keep planning, keep preparing. Bye bye.